back again in the kitchen because this is where the best lighting is. It is Saturday, September 17th. I just came back from one of our friends' houses. She's moving, and she had like a packing party to help her pack, which is such a great idea. It was so much fun too. Like, you know when you're at somebody else's house and it's more fun to do stuff at their house? Because I know when I was packing to move, I was sick to my core, but why was I having a blast? Like, we had Beyonce playing in the background, all of my besties were there. It was just a blast. So we went, we helped out. We didn't stay too long. We couldn't stay for a really long time though, because Kiss is coming tonight to come hang out with us, and then he's gonna like finish hanging up some of the stuff that Keith didn't get to do, because I finally, first of all, let's discuss this. Window treatments, expensive. And mind you, I went the cheap route. I went with Ikea to get like as quality of a curtain that I could get for the vibes that I wanted. And even like I went with their curtain rods, which are more inexpensive, their curtain rings, which are more inexpensive, and it's still expensive, okay? But the vibes are unmatched and I need them. So I was waiting for them. I wanted to use their double, basically the version of the rod that I have, but for 2 curtain panels, so like a double curtain rod. It's been out of stock for like 3 months now. It's like I've been looking at this stuff since June to like get my stuff in order, because I was trying to like figure out exactly what I wanted to purchase for the apartment, budget, and all of that stuff. So that was the plan. I'm like, okay, whatever. By the time I move, they'll surely have it back in stock. It's never come back in stock. So I have been on the hunt to try to find a double curtain rod that's still matte black, or just black and it still goes with the vibes. And it's been so extremely hard. Like, it's been difficult. I finally found one at Bed Bath Beyond. Let me show you guys. This is it. So it's the Simply Essential Deco Double Adjustable Curtain Rod. I was gonna get like the shortest one, not short, but like I'm putting it in front. I don't just have like a bedroom window, like it's my patio doors. So I had to get the 72-inch to 144-inch, because I also do want to do the illusion to make it seem longer, like make the window seem like it's bigger than it is, even though it's fairly big. So I'm not gonna go that far off. But yeah, so I had to get it longer because the window is like 7 feet altogether. So 6 feet wasn't gonna work. So I'm finally happy I got that, and I got it right in time for Kiss to be able to do it for me, so thank God. What else did I do? Oh, I went to Five Below because I was trying to find a rug for my patio, because my chairs came in and they're so lovely. So I kind of want to add like little things, just because that's not a space that I plan on doing right now. That's probably like earlier next year, like when I come back from whatever travel assignment, because I'm definitely going to be on an assignment at the beginning of the year. Rent is going to be short. I'm not doing nothing longer than 8 weeks anymore, baby. That's for another conversation. But yeah, so I just wanted to get a rug out there because I want to sit out there more, and maybe some like lights. And Five Below normally has them. They had nothing. I got another Amazon package today. I have to tell y'all the funniest story. Okay, so I added a garbage can onto my Amazon wish list for my gift list for the apartment, and my friend Tia got it for me. And so I didn't know that she had gotten it, you know, because I always have to check like once they get delivered. So I go and I'm like, the box is small, so I'm like, oh, maybe she got me like the sunset lamp, or she got me something, like she had told me she was gonna give me something off of it. My work alarm haunting me. Anyways, y'all, so the box comes. Let me get the box so y'all can see. Look at the size of the box. So I'm like, oh, maybe she got me like the sunset lamp, or like one of my other little things that was on there. Cool. The back of it says rectangle soft close trash can in satin nickel, and I said, I know something. Mind you, this is $30. So I thought I was getting a regular size garbage can, which I guess I should have known $30 for a stainless steel trash can, because trash cans are expensive. But I thought I was getting a deal. It's Amazon. Look at this. Anyway, she told me I could exchange it for like a gift card and then get a bigger one, but I just so happened to be at Walmart yesterday and they had them on sale. So my dryer's going, but you can kind of see it right here. It's a stainless steel one right here, y'all. It was originally $54 and it was $39. So I was like, girl, let me just get that, and then I'll probably return this and get something else off my gift list, or I may use it in my beauty room. I don't know yet. Still thinking about that. And then someone got me my pillows off of my list, so I'm gonna see who sent that. My dad should be here within like the next maybe 30 minutes. So I'm gonna just like, I cleaned this morning, y'all. I have such a good Saturday cleanup, y'all. Like, I woke up, I put my oldies on, I got my cleaning supplies on, I got to work. It was so lovely. So yeah, so let's see. I think that's it for now. So obviously I can't show you guys like what we do with the windows, but as you guys know, it's like those blinds that they put in offices. I hate them. I forget what they're called. Y'all know what kind of blinds they are, but once the curtains are up, y'all will feel the vibes for real. For real, for real. All right.
Sit back where the drinks at. Kick game, let me tap that. No shame, cause you been bad. Real one, but you knew that. Sit back where the drinks at. Kick game, let me tap that. No shame, cause you been bad. Real one, but you knew that. Look good on your own, I'ma give you what you want and more. Something about you and the way you move, I bet that's how they all try to hit you up. Bet you heard enough, so now I slide through. Tryna play it real smooth with the moves, I ain't tryna get played like a fool, no. Seen you shoot them down like dominoes. Man, these dudes don't know when it's time to go. Let me show you a star boy when the lights dim low.
Y'all, so while I was on the Ikea app the other day making sure that my curtain rings was in stock. Oh, that's another thing. Okay, these curtains have been driving me nuts. Okay, so you know I have this really big window over here. I need a third panel, which it worked out perfect because I also need a third panel in my room because the windows are about the same length. So I was like, bet, we're good. I go to get curtain rings. They say they're in stock. I get that they're not there. They literally had none. Anyways, moral of the story is curtains are a headache and expensive. And if you want to do the curtain rings, I'm gonna leave all of like the amount that I used per panel so you know what to buy, because I thought I just needed a measly 2 packets of curtain rings, you know, per curtain, like curtain rod. Meanwhile, I needed like 4 packs per panel, like 2 packs per panel. I don't want to talk about it. But while I was at Ikea, I saw on one of their little displays this little couch situation, this little board. And I said, well, what is this? Y'all, look at this.
Yeah, get close, baby, get close. Get close, baby, get close. Sit back where the drinks at.
Be for real. BFFR, okay? Because y'all, when I finally get my little console and TV situation, I can't wait to just utilize my couch. She hasn't been getting any love, so I've been there in my room or at my office space. But when I get my TV, me can't wait.
Game, let me tap that. No shame, cause you been bad. Real one, but you knew that. Sit back where the drinks at. Kick game, let me tap that. No shame, cause you been bad. Real one, but you knew that. Look good on your own, I'ma give you what you want and more. Got me speaking French cause I'm thinking about we. Baby, leave your friends, you ain't gotta hurry. And if you want, we can always keep the shit low key. Keep it 6 feet deep, we can keep it buried. Not the type to marry, but the type to make your knees weak. I can really promise I'ma be here when you need me. No, I'm not a player, but I crush a lot. Might get on your nerves, but you know that I just hit the spot. Yeah.
All right, guys. Kiss was putting up my curtains, y'all, and I need, of course, another panel. So I'm headed back to Ikea. At this point, I feel like they might as well just let me live in one of the showrooms. Because why am I always there? I'm sick of it. I can't wait. I love Ikea so much. So the fact that I have this newfound don't want to be there situation is actually ridiculous. But yeah, so I'm about to go get the curtain panel. I have enough of like my front curtains, but like my sheer ones that I need, I only got 2 because I thought the curtains that I was gonna get from Ikea, the rod was just one straight one, so I was just gonna be able to use 2 panels. But because I have this one from Bed Bath & Beyond that's a little fancier, it has 4 brackets, so obviously I can't split 2 curtain panels between 4 brackets, so I have to go get another pack, which is fine because then it'll look more full. But yeah, so I'm running to go get them. He's gonna go to Val's place and do something for her while I'm gone. So hopefully it shouldn't take me longer than, you know, at least an hour to get everything together, because, you know, driving there and back, there's already hella traffic. Like, it's Sunday. Come on, you know what I'm saying? Like, I want to be in and out, because normally it's really not that bad of a drive, but it's looking like it's gonna be a little number today, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know when I get there. I already checked the app. The curtain that I need is in stock. They say they got like 84 panels in there, so I just want to run in and run out. When I tell you I'm sick of that place, like so much so that I know the exact layout, I know exactly which shortcuts to take to get in and out really quick. That means I be in there too much, because Ikea is huge. I should not know all of the ways to get in and out of there that quick, but at least I can get get it done today. And then I'm also gonna have him put the one panel that I'm missing in the living room. So all of my curtains will be done and I'll be done with these shenanigans, baby. Like, for real. Hallelujah, hallelujah. All right, I'll talk to y'all when I get to Ikea.